How do you plead your innocence in Afrikaans? Let's find out. Skuld, guilt. Skuldig, guilty. Onskuldig, not guilty. Is jy skuldig? Are you guilty? Ek is nie skuldig nie. I am not guilty. Ek pleit onskuldig. Ek pleit onskuldig. I plead not guilty. Ek was my hande in onskuld. The literal translation is, I wash my hands in not guilty. Now the real meaning of ek was my hande in onskuld is as follows. It means I have nothing to do with it. It means I am in no way, shape, or form associated with that bad deed or that bad situation. I carry no knowledge of it. I am the innocence personified.